As a woman looking to buy my first home, I discovered some incredible benefits designed just for us. Did you know that in many Indian states, women first-time homebuyers can access lower interest rates on home loans? This means I can save a significant amount over the loan tenure. Plus, some banks even offer higher loan amounts specifically for women. This is a game changer. It empowers us to invest in our dreams and secure our future. With these subsidies, owning a home feels more achievable than ever. It's not just about buying a house, it's about building a life and a legacy. If you're a first-time homebuyer in India, you might be sitting on a gold mine of savings. Many state governments are rolling out stamp duty and registration fee reductions to make homeownership more accessible. Imagine saving up to 2% on stamp duty just because it's your first home. To tap into these benefits, the first step is simple: visit your local sub-registrar's office or consult with a legal advisor. They can guide you on the specific discounts available in your state. Each state has its own rules, so it's crucial to stay informed. This is not just about saving money, it's about making your dream of owning a home a reality. Don't miss out on these opportunities. Check your eligibility and take that exciting step toward homeownership. Buying your first home can feel overwhelming, but the Indian government has your back with some fantastic tax benefits. Under Section 80C, you can claim a deduction of up to 1.5 lakh rupees on the principal repayment of your home loan. That's a significant relief. And if you're paying interest, Section 24B allows you to deduct up to 2 lakh rupees on that as well. But wait, there's more. If you're a first-time homebuyer, you can snag an extra 50,000 rupee deduction under Section 80E, provided your loan is up to 35 lakh rupees for a property worth 50 lakh rupees or less. These benefits not only ease your financial burden but also make owning a home more achievable. So, dive into the world of homeownership with these tax perks in your toolkit. When I decided to buy my first home, I realized how crucial it was to protect my investment and my family. That's when I discovered the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, or PMSBY. For just 12 rupees a year, I could secure accidental insurance coverage that protects me in case of unforeseen events. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that if something were to happen, my family wouldn't be left in a lurch. This scheme is open to all Indian citizens aged 18 to 70, making it accessible for many. With PMSBY, I not only safeguard my home loan but also ensure that my loved ones are financially protected. It's a small investment for a huge sense of security. The Credit Linked Subsidy Scheme, or CLSS, is a game changer for first-time homebuyers in India. Imagine being able to afford your dream home with a little help. This scheme, part of the PMA program, offers interest subsidies on home loans for construction, purchase, or enhancement of a house, whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet village. To qualify, you need to be a first-time buyer and belong to the EWS, LIG, or MIG income categories. If you fit the bill, you could receive a subsidy of 6.5% on loans up to 6 rupees lakh for a tenure of 20 years if you're in the EWS or LIG category. For those in MIG I and II, you can get 4% and 3% subsidies on loans of up to 9 rupees lakh and 12 rupees lakh, respectively. This is not just about owning a house, it's about making your dreams a reality without breaking the bank. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, or PMA, is a game changer for many of us looking to own a home. Launched in 2015, this scheme is designed to make housing affordable for low and middle-income groups. If you're a first-time homebuyer, you could benefit from interest rate subsidies on your home loan. So, who's eligible? If your annual income falls under 3 lakh rupees, you're in the economically weaker section. If it's between 3 lakh rupees and 6 lakh rupees, you're in the lower income group. The middle income group has two categories: MIG-I for incomes between 6 rupees lakh and 12 rupees lakh, and MIG-II for 12 rupees lakh to 18 rupees lakh. Now, let's talk benefits. Depending on your income group, you could receive an interest subsidy of up to 6.5% on home loans for 20 years. This means lower EMIs and a more manageable path to homeownership. For EWS and LIG, that could mean a subsidy of up to ₹2.67 lakh. MIG-I can get up to ₹2.35 lakh, and MIG-II up to ₹2.30 lakh. Ready to apply? You can do it online through the PMA portal or get help from your bank. Just ensure you meet the eligibility criteria and have your documents ready. This could be your step towards owning a home. Buying my first home felt like stepping into a dream, but the financial commitment was overwhelming. In India, with property prices soaring and loan criteria tightening, it's easy to feel lost. Thankfully, the government has stepped in with some fantastic schemes to lighten the load. For instance, the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana offers interest subsidies that can significantly reduce my home loan burden. Plus, there are tax benefits that make a real difference in my budget. These initiatives are designed to empower first-time buyers like me, making homeownership not just a dream, but a reality. It's about time we take that leap and invest in our future.